नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं डॉक्टर अल्पना मोहता, dermatologist, cosmetologist and hair specialist. Today we are going to talk about vitamin C. It would not be an exaggeration to call vitamin C the skin product of the decade. Vitamin C is perhaps the most raved about and hyped beauty product out there. Lately we are seeing it everywhere, be it skincare or superfoods. But does it actually work? The short answer is yes. Okay, so now let's talk about how exactly does vitamin C work in your skin. So folks, vitamin C is an antioxidant and it acts by scavenging the free radicals in your skin. When we are young, our body can effectively fight these free radicals, but as we get older, our skin loses the power to fight against these free radicals. Environmental factors like smoking, UV radiation, and pollution also contribute to the formation of free radicals. Over the course of years, these free radicals accumulate underneath your skin and lead to formation of wrinkles and other signs of aging like dark spots, loosening of skin, sagging, and dyspigmentation. Antioxidants like vitamin C can effectively counteract and neutralize these free radicals. Vitamin C is one of the most potent antioxidants out there. Not just that, it also acts by building up collagen underneath your skin. It can also reverse the signs of aging to a certain extent by reducing fine lines, coarse wrinkles, pigmentation, and sun-induced damage. Okay, so now that we know the benefits of our superstar vitamin C, let's talk about how you can introduce it in your skincare routine. How to use vitamin C. Lately, vitamin C is present in anything and everything out there, be it serums, creams, moisturizers, soaps, face washes, facial mists, and whatnot. However, the best form of vitamin C for your skin is serums. So guys, whenever you're planning a new skincare regime, you should always remember that serums are these transparent, clear soluble fluids which often contain the most potent and stable formulation of any active ingredient. Just like all good things that take time, with vitamin C as well, consistency is the key. Not just anti-aging, it also increases the hydration under your skin when used consistently. Apart from reducing pigmentation, it also increases skin's smoothness, laxity, it reduces sagging as well as improves the overall appearance of your skin's texture. Although, before you start using any vitamin C serum, here are a few things that you should keep in mind. Number 1. The various types of vitamin C. The most commonly used variant of vitamin C is L-ascorbic acid. It is also the most potent variant of vitamin C. However, it is only suitable for oily to normal skin. Although if you do have any sensitive or dry skin, you should stay away from this form of vitamin C as it can irritate your skin. For these skin types, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate is a safer option. It is also the most stable formulation of vitamin C. However, it is a little less effective than L-ascorbic acid. Other less commonly used variants of vitamin C are sodium ascorbyl phosphate and sodium ascorbate. Although they are less irritating, they are also much less effective. Number 2. What percentage of vitamin C should you start with? Optimum concentration of vitamin C serum for any skin type is between 15 to 20%. However, depending upon the irritability of your skin, you can start with 10% of vitamin C. The best way for sensitive skin would be to start with vitamin C serum every alternate day. And as your skin's tolerance for vitamin C increases, you can step it up to 20%. However, anything higher than 20% does not hold any extra advantage. It only increases skin's irritation towards the serum that you use. Number 3. What pH of vitamin C should you use? For oily to normal skin or acne prone skin, the best pH would be acidic, that is around 3.5. Sensitive or dry skin, you should stick to the normal pH of skin. That is, you should use a vitamin C serum having a pH between 5 to 6, which would not irritate your skin any further. Number 4. Other active ingredients. If you want anti-aging or antioxidant effect, you should combine vitamin C with vitamin E or glutathione, as both are potent antioxidants. If you're using vitamin C for dark spots, you should combine it with ferulic acid. And if you want hydration or moisturization for your skin, you should use a vitamin C serum containing hyaluronic acid. Number 5. How should you store your vitamin C? Okay, so I have these two bottles out here. The attractive orange one and the not so attractive brown one. Which one of the two would you choose? If you choose this one, you're wrong. You should always choose a dark colored or opaque vitamin C serum bottle. Let me tell you why. Since vitamin C, like I said, is an antioxidant, when it comes in contact with air or sunlight or any artificial light, it loses its antioxidant property by getting oxidized itself. And that is why you should stick to dark bottles. Always dark bottles. I'll tell you an easy way by which you can differentiate an oxidized and an unoxidized vitamin C serum. If your serum is transparent or light yellow colored, it is still active. However, if it turns dark yellow or brown, then it is no longer vitamin C that you're applying on your skin. I don't know what it is, but it is not vitamin C anymore. Number 6. What is the best time to use a vitamin C serum? If you have oily or acne prone skin, or if you're looking for an anti-aging product, you should use vitamin C serum in the morning and use retinol at night. What I've observed a lot of people doing is that they would combine vitamin C and retinol at the same time. But please remember, since both of them act on completely different pH, they would not work together, as you would just be wasting your money by combining these two expensive products together and making them ineffective in the process. For dry skin or for reduction of dark spots, you can use vitamin C serum during both day and night. If you are layering your vitamin C, please remember you should always go from thin to thick. As a general rule, the first product that you apply on your skin should always be the thinnest, and in this case, a serum, which can be followed by a cream or a moisturizer, and then your sunscreen or makeup. So if you're applying vitamin C serum in the morning and then you're going to go to work, it would be better to layer it up with a sunscreen. Like I said, because vitamin C oxidizes when it comes in contact with sunlight, so it'll be better if you combine it with sunscreen, and sunscreen would also give you a certain extent of anti-aging benefit. So guys, I hope you'll keep these things in mind before making your next vitamin C purchase. And folks, in the next video, I'll be talking about some common myths about vitamin C. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. With that, is Dr. Alpana Mohta signing off.